Hey folks, got a bike specific video for you today. This is my 1988 KLR 250, and what I'm doing is I'm trying to fix it up so I can sell it. And basically the problem I'm running into is the stock monoshock. The rear shock is garbage, and so I have to replace it with this KLR 650 shock. But in order to do all that, I needed to take the swing arm off and blah, 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 all that kind of stuff. And tear into getting the whole rear end torn apart. I have to make this part here. I need a little standoff because the KLR 650 shock is shorter than the KLR 250 shock. So I'm making this doodad right here. I got to machine that out. Got to get my final dimensions when I get all this apart. But what I wanted to show today, and this is mostly for the KLR 250 community, was getting this thing off here. I don't know what this is called. I kind of call it a yoke. I'm not sure if that's correct, but this is the only part I was like, how do you get it off? I can't get it off. But anyways, it's very simple. And a gentleman on the KLR 250 group told me what to do, and I thought I would share that with you. So let's do that now. Okay. Alrighty. So basically with this part here, you can see it's kind of loose. I've got everything loosened up. I just wanted to do this for demonstration purposes. There's this long bolt that goes through here that secures this thing in here, but it still wouldn't come out. Basically what it is, there's a bolt underneath here. It's right here going through the motor that actually pinches the frame together. So in order to get that out, all I had to do was, let's see if I can't just turn this out. I don't know if I can or not. Actually, it's already turned out. You have to loosen that bolt up. It's a, what size socket is that? 17 millimeter on both sides. And once you get that, you can just simply pull this shaft out. She pops right out. So this is literally pinched in between the frame. And that's what secures it, which maybe that's normal. I haven't had a lot of swing arms apart, but maybe that's normal. I don't know. But that's that. And I will be, in the future, I will be going over the dimensions for this part I'm making here, and all the other things I had to do to make this work. So it's a little short video today. Hope that was helpful. Hope that was informative. If you got any comments or questions or curiosities about a 1988 KLR 250, go right ahead. All right, Frostbite out. Hold the boat, hold the boat. I wanted to share a little tip that I thought of for washing these things. My bearings in the swing arm and in this yoke thingy were fine, but this was really, really filthy. You can't tell that now because I washed it. But what I came up with for washing it was, if you take your seal out, my seals are junk. That one's tight. Let me get this one out here. Take your seal out. Get yourself a little piece of plastic bag. Just a sandwich bag's all I used. Put that on there. Press your seal in. You know, maybe cut this out a little bit. And it's watertight. I washed this whole thing with just that. I had it in my what do you call it? My vibrator thingy. What do you call that? Dang it, I can never remember. And anyways, had this plastic in there. I had it in there for 30 minutes at 122 degrees. Not a drop of water in there. So this little tip works slick. If you want to clean stuff out, I did it with a swing arm too. It worked beautiful. All right, later. Frostbite out.